Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Arjun Giri. Today I am going to show you a photo retouching tutorial. This is the picture I took from my Sony A7 III, and this is what I did in the Photoshop. So if you already like the result, please stay tuned and then I will show you right away. Here I have opened the picture already and I am going to make it a square format picture, which is good for Facebook and also Twitter posts. And then I accept it. I did the crop and then I accept, and I cropped it and then I accept it. Now if you already see on this picture, little bit red or little bit yellow in this picture, and I want to make it a little subtle, this red. I want to lower the redness on the skin a bit, and just trying to get the real skin color a bit more. So what I will do is go to the curves, and actually I can try this. Supposed to be white. See, now when I took the white balance tool and clicked which supposed to be white on my t-shirt, it has given me this result, which is not bad actually. It's little too much only. If I lower or increase this, it gives me the result, right? But instead of that, what I want to do is I want to use these curves. Actually I will use this again, a new curve, and then manually I'm gonna adjust this. I will decrease the reds a little slightly, and then decrease the green slightly, I guess, and then increase the blue slightly. So now I kind of get a real skin color. Now once I have this, right here I want to do the little retouch on the skin. So to do that, I am going to this tool here and then selecting the spot healing brush tool and selecting this layer. Maybe I can have a backup and click on that once. Make the small brush small by clicking the closing bracket or opening bracket to make it small and big, and click on the spots like that, so it removes the spots. There you go, like that. It's easy, just a one click on a one spot and it removes that spot. And another problem in this is the skin texture. The skin texture is over pronounced here, so I want to make it a little subtle already. So what I'm gonna do is I will select and control select this, and then control E to merge, and then control J to make a copy, and then control I to invert it. Yeah, I know it looks bad, but I'll go to the normal and vivid light. This makes much more horrible, but don't worry. Now go to the others and high pass, and give the high pass around I guess around 16 to 18, let's say within 20, and then okay. Now the blur and then Gaussian blur gonna do the magic. I'm going to keep it just around here. Okay, now this is the layer mask. Now I'm going to, because this is a white here, I'm going to click Alt on the keyboard with my finger and then click. Now it removes all the effect. Now I'm taking the brush with the white brush, white color here. I'm going to paint on the skin to get. I'll just increase my opacity and flow. Make sure if you have it reduced, you do the same, and then like that. Just paint on the skin where you want the skin to be smoothened, like this. I know it looks too much. I know it looks too much, but don't worry, we can always fix this by lowering the opacity. and even the hair's glowing. Let's say I did like that. This is for just a, you know, this is just to explain you, and this is too much smooth, and so what I will do is I will decrease it like that. Maybe 50% is better, right? Now I'm going to again merge this, and then I go to the copy, Ctrl J twice, and then hide the top one, select the lower one, go to the select, go to the blur, Gaussian blur, make it around you know, just don't I just do it till you don't see the ports. Okay, and then go to the this one, and then go to the image, apply image, and then go to select this one, copy to, which is this one, this layer, and then go to the subtract, and you get this, make sure it's 2 and it's 128, and click OK, and then come to the blending mode, go to the linear light, if I can find, there you go. Now come to this, and then click this, and then make sure you have around 20 pixel, and then select this like this, and go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now try to increase more, so see, now you get this evenly. Now it was like this, not very even, right? Now I increase it around 26. It gives me little bit even skin tone. Don't do too much, of course, but do it just enough. Filter, blur, again Gaussian blur. Make sure if this is right amount. Maybe somewhere you would want to go more, which is that is too much. Somewhere you want to keep it subtle like that. Control D, yes, Control D to deselect, and then I'm again selecting Control F. You know Control F is like this. Already the Gaussian blur is set to Control F, so I just press Control F. It smoothens there, and we are done. Actually, you can sharpen the eyes, you know, by doing the dodge and burn. See, okay, on this same this one, you know, and then do the burn, do the burn to make black a bit blacker like this, so you have a sharp defined stuffs eyes. And also if you want, you know, you can do all this, but I think this is too little too much, but you can decrease the exposure and always do this again, so it gives you subtle effect. So this is how I edited that picture, very quick and very easy. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Come and watch again this channel. I'm gonna put lot of good content again and again every day. Please do subscribe, give me a comment if you like it or not. Thank you very much. Be safe.